Welcome back. In this lecture, we are gonna install Python, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebook on Linux. We'll be using Ubuntu 18.04. Linux comes with Python. We will only need to update it to the latest version. To update Python, we will type sudo apt install python 3. If you don't have Ubuntu, please consult your package manager. Okay, this means that Python version 3.6 is installed, which will be more than sufficient for this course. The next step is to install Python package manager. To do so, we'll type sudo apt install python 3 pip. Pip is the package manager for Python, which will allow you to install and uninstall any package for Python. We will study it extensively during this course. The installation will take a couple of minutes. Okay, the installation completed successfully. The next step is to install Jupyter Lab. To do so, we'll type sudo pip3 install Jupyter Lab. The installation will take a couple of minutes. I'll pause the video and join you after the installation completes. The installation completed successfully. To test it, we will type Jupyter-lab. Okay, great. This means that the installation completed successfully. Okay, the last step is to install PyCharm. We'll navigate to jetbrains.com. Because we are using Linux and Ubuntu specifically, we can install PyCharm either using the command line or downloading the community edition. We will do both, because if you do not have Ubuntu, you will see how we can install it by downloading the application. So to download the application, I'll click on download. I'll save the file. It will take a couple of minutes to complete. Okay, the installation is completed. We will go to the command line. I'll just close Jupyter Notebook. To close it, you will click on Ctrl+C a couple of times. Okay, now we have to install PyCharm. The downloaded file will be in the download folder. To install it, we will type sudo xzf download PyCharm -c/opt. Okay, now if we list, okay, we will go to that directory and then this will run PyChart. I'll click on I confirm, continue, don't send, next, next, start PyChart. Okay, this is great. Now I'll show you how to install it if you have Ubuntu installed on your computer. I'll go to my home directory, and if we went to the same page to download PyChart, you will find the command line to install it, which is sudo snap install PyChart community -- classic. It will download the application and install it to your computer. You will not need to do both. If you have Ubuntu, I prefer the second method. If you do not have Ubuntu, you will have to use the first method. Okay, the installation completed successfully. I'll just remove the folder that we have created during the first installation. Okay, now if I launch PyCharm, it will run correctly. Okay, we have finished the installation of all the software we needed for this course. Please join me in the next lecture to begin exploring Python. Thanks for watching.